Hey there, yaar. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has been buzzing around for quite some time. Is coding. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि कोडिंग सीखना आसान हो सकता है? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आप भी एक प्रोफेशनल कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर बन सकते हैं? अगर आपका जवाब हां है, तो आप सही जगह पर हैं। तो आज इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा कि कोडिंग कैसे शुरू करें और आप कोडिंग के लिए कौन से साधनों का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। एंड हे, do you think that need a degree to become a coder? And finally, the big question, how can you earn money in coding? So don't go anywhere because we have all the answers for you.
Technobit think different.
Coding has become an integral part of our lives. From the apps we use on our smartphones to the websites we browse, it's all made possible through coding. It's no secret that technology is advancing rapidly, and coding is at the forefront of these developments. It's crucial for us to understand the fundamentals of coding and how it can benefit you in various aspects of lives. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, this video will provide you with valuable insights and guidance. वीडियो से आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूं। आपको अगर कोडिंग में इंटरेस्ट है, या आप पूरा बिगिनियर हैं, या आपको कोडिंग के बारे में थोड़ा सा भी बेसिक नॉलेज है, तो मैं आपके लिए लाया हूं फ्री में कोडिंग क्लासेस, जो कि आपके इस YouTube चैनल में। तो क्लासे के बारे में डिटेल में जानने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। क्लास का डेट मैंने 1 मार्च में रखा था, लेकिन अभी जैसे बोर्ड एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, तो क्लास के डेट को शिफ्ट करके मार्च के 3rd या 4th वीक से स्टार्ट होगा। तो बाकी के अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो और आप अभी इस वीडियो को एंजॉय करो। Begin by choosing a programming language that aligns with your goals and interests, like Python, JavaScript, or C++. There are plenty of resources available for these languages. Dive into online tutorials, coding boot camps, or enroll in a coding class to receive structured guidance. Practice coding by working on small projects, be it building a basic website or developing a simple hands-on experience is crucial for honing your skills. Join coding communities and forums to interact and learn from fellow enthusiasts or professionals in the field. Embrace a growth mindset and be persistent. Coding can be challenging, but with dedication and perseverance, you can master it. No, you don't necessarily need a degree to start a career in coding. While a degree can be beneficial for certain job opportunities, it's not the only path. Many successful programmers are self-taught or have completed coding boot camps. What matters most is your skills and practical experience. However, if you aspire to work in highly specialized fields like computer science research or AI development, a degree might be advantageous. Now that you have a better understanding of how to start coding, the benefits it offers, and the potential avenues for earning money, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below and let us know what programming language you're interested in learning, or share any coding success stories you have. Remember to like and share this video with your friends who might also be interested in coding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.